Find the equation of the line that is parallel to x is equal to 4 and contains the point 3, -1. This is a special case of the linear equation because normally when we say find the equation of a line, we would need two things. Number one, any point which we have, and number two, the slope of the line. But the problem is that x is equal to 4 is a vertical line, and a vertical line has a slope that's undefined. In order to be parallel to a vertical line, we would also have an undefined slope, but that means that we can't plug that into the point slope formula like we would in a regular case. We can't use undefined in an algebraic way, so we wouldn't be able to calculate the equation of this line. So let's look at this from a graphical approach. Let's start by graphing the vertical line that we're supposed to be parallel to. X is equal to 4 is the vertical line that passes through the x-coordinate 4. Let's also consider the point that our line needs to contain, which is 3, -1. 3, -1 is located here, so the graph of a line that is parallel to x is equal to 4 and contains 3, -1 is going to look like this. It's also a vertical line, but this one passes through the specific ordered pair 3, -1. The equation of any vertical line is going to be x is equal to some constant value, and the constant that it has to be equal to is the x-coordinate of the point that we're passing through. So it's x is equal to 3. And so this is our answer to part A. Again, because the slope of these vertical lines is undefined, we cannot actually calculate this equation. We had to use a graphical approach in order to figure out that linear equation. Let's again use a graphical approach to figure out the equation of the line that's now perpendicular to a vertical line x is equal to 1 and contains the ordered pair 2, -3. We'll start by graphing the given information. We'll graph the vertical line that we're supposed to be perpendicular to, x is equal to -1. So here is that vertical line. And we also want our line to pass through the ordered pair 2, -3. The ordered pair 2, -3 is down here, and this is our given information. Now we want the equation of a line that is perpendicular to this vertical line. And a line perpendicular to the vertical line is going to be a horizontal line. So let's start by graphing the line whose equation we're after, noticing that our two lines are now perpendicular, intersecting at a 90-degree angle, and we want the equation of this line. Remember, the equation of any horizontal line is going to be y is equal to some constant value. And the constant that we're looking for is going to be the y-coordinate of the ordered pair that our horizontal line passes through. So the equation of this line has to be y is equal to -3.